Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services.
Okay, so we're 295 Old Whitewell Road. Back ordinary, this is just into the M2. And sort of on the edge of Glenglong up the Hunton Road. This was a bit of a nightmare. This was actually engineering brick, and the sand cement was like flint. We still got it down, but we had to do a little bit of rebuilding. You can see there the ridge tiles were just hanging off as well. So we had to do the ridge tiles. We just pointed them. We didn't actually bond them. We just primed them and pointed them. Also, we done the backs of the rafters there, what you can see, where we've actually fastened metal pins to the back of them there, and then we've rebuilt that little bit of a gable there, and then we've actually used high strength concrete which ties the pins in, and once it's all done, once it's all closed in, it's very, very strong job, you know. It's not going anywhere.
You don't even know off the top of your head?
Near 4 o'clock.
Near 4 o'clock rock.
Okay, so this is James J with Sore Throat signing out. Till next time, bye for now.
Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.